So a core functionality baked into Express is wrapping the HTTP request and response objects in every route. Node actually creates these objects, but Express creates a more approachable interface for them. And one way we see that is we have these path parameters here. Whenever we put this colon in front of the route parameter, Express knows we're creating a dynamic route. And these are simply, again, just named URL segments that we use to capture values specified at their position in the URL. So this matches post requests to pepperoni, cheese, Hawaiian, or anything really that follows the slash. And Express attaches that to the rec.params object with the name of the route parameter specified in the path. But post requests also often come with a request body that's attached to rec.body. And this is data that's being explicitly sent to this endpoint. But to parse that request body as JSON, we actually need to leverage another request middleware. And this one comes directly from Express, and it works like this. We can say app.use express.json. And this will make sure anytime we send a post request, Express will parse that request as JSON. A lot of rhyming words there, sometimes it's tough to say, but hopefully you get the message here. And so by adding this additional middleware into our Express pipeline, we can now send post requests that include a request body. To give you an idea of what I'm talking about here, let's go ahead and console.log that at the top. We'll say console.log rec.body. And then we'll start our server, and we'll head over to our HTTP client, and we will attach a body to our post request. And in it, we will create a user with the name of code path, if we can spell that right. And then let's go ahead and send that post request. Now, everything appears normal here, and we have our single vote for Hawaiian. And if we head back to our server, we'll notice that our request body also contains information that we have sent in as JSON in the request body. And this is mostly what post requests are used for. They're used to send data that is then taken by our route, pumped into our model or whatever we're using, and used to transform our data or database in some way, shape, or form. And so we can actually then add a parameter to this and take in the user that is casting the vote, and then ensure that a user can only have one vote per person or per pizza type, however we decide to do it.